What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. I know it's been quite some time from my last video, which I upgraded my brake system on my car. So if you haven't watched that, click up here and watch that video. I upgraded to R1 Concepts, their track racing kit. So make sure you watch that video if you're interested in upgrading your brake kit with R1 Concepts, which is a company that I highly recommend as a starter company. Anyways, more on that, click up here and watch that video. Today, guys, I can't talk today. I did some shopping around on some products to maintain my car. As many of you know, I daily this car about like 60 to 80 miles a day, right? 30, 40 miles in, work, and then I come back home, another 30, 40 miles, and it picks up a lot of dirt. So I usually wash it at the top of the week, and by the end of the week, there's like a nice layer of just dust. Not heavy grime, but just dust, and I'm tired of that. So one of the things that's not helping me is that I don't have a ceramic coating currently on the car, mainly because I am going to be doing some hood work and front end work on my bumper and the hood. There's a few scrapes and some things that I want to repair before I do the ceramic coating. So, but before then, I do want to maintain my car because, you know, who doesn't like a clean car? All right, sorry about that. My in-law had to come in with this car. So again, guys, in order to maintain your car clean, we're going to do a clay bar treatment as far as just to take off all the scrubs and anything that's embedded onto the paint. That's what this video is all about. But also, let me show you the products I bought. All right, so to start off, I got this clay bar. It's a medium bar. I'm not sure what other, you know, I guess, I'm not sure what other styles of clay bars are out there. There's probably like a light, medium, and hard or advanced or something like that, but they recommended a medium with my car that doesn't have any ceramic coating on it, and just with the current situation that the paint is with all the stuff that's embedded. I mean, I can see right now after passing it through the wash, I'm not gonna wash it, I already washed it through the machine wash. Soft touch, by the way. There are some water stains that I could see. There's some like bird poop on it that stained the paint a little bit. So this clay bar is for that. In order to apply the clay bar, you gotta do a lube. So you spray it first and then you work the clay bar. We're gonna get to that soon. And then after I'm done with the clay bar and wiped it down, I'm gonna do this Hydro Charge Plus ceramic spray coating right here. Here are some shots of it. And I also bought this shampoo. It's called Black Light. It's meant for dark color cars. They recommended this. I used to use Mr. Pink, but I'm running low on it, and they recommended this one for my finish. I'm running the Carbon Black, which is a dark finish, which is a dark paint job on my car, but we're gonna go with this one. So I'm not gonna wash it. I already ran through the machine. So right now what I'm gonna do is just go straight to the clay bar waxing. So let's get to it. See all the blemishes and everything else, right? So I'm gonna work on this panel first. So you see that watermark right there. And as I go lower to the body panel, yeah, so this car needs some love. So I'm gonna work this area first. As we get lower to the fender, you can see the rest of it right there. So there's a lot of blemishes, right? I decided to use my phone's camera just because of how direct the light is and how, yeah, just how effective it shows all the blemishes. As I get closer, yeah, you can see more. Yeah, I hope this is helpful. So I'm gonna run into the clay bar right now, just this section, and see how it goes. All right, so for this video, with the clay bar, we got the lube, and we got a couple of towels. I prefer this microfiber towel right here that's really plush. And then this one over here for the clay bar residue, right? So first things first, I'm gonna get this clay bar out. So I'm gonna get this out, and it's packaged up pretty well. And just gonna go ahead and take a little bit of it. Kind of sticky, actually. I've never done a clay bar thing before, so I don't know if this is too much or too little, but hey, we're gonna use it. Yep, there you go. Seal it back, put it back in its case, just because I'm OCD like that. Done. All right, so looks like we got our little bar right here. It's about this size, and I'm gonna use on this little panel right here, as you saw from the video. And I'm gonna lube this thing up. Sounds disgusting, right? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna work on this panel right here. In fact, this area down here first. Hopefully you can see me properly. Sorry, I'm having some camera issues, but decided to go left and right, and I'll start to feel a difference. So, smells good. That's the way that they taught me how to do it. Just gonna go with it. It sounds pretty scary because it almost sounds like scratching the car. Same thing, working on it in little sections, left and right, not circle motions. If I'm doing something wrong, by all means, please tell me, because I'm new to this and I'm just going based off what they told me. So this could just be scratching up my car. So cool, I did this corridor and the bottom corridor. So I'm gonna wipe it down now with my microfiber towel, see the results. Hopefully I did good. All right guys, so I just applied the clay bar on this section over here, and let me show you just how it looks now. All those swirls, let's see if my camera can focus on it. There you go. All those swirls got pretty much taken out, which is great. I can also see that my car has a lot of blemishes. So it's a big difference from before. All the watermarks definitely got taken out. The paint feels a lot better, I'll tell you that. But for the most part, my paint looks really good. The swirls got taken out. It's gonna take a process to do the whole car, but I'm discovering that I shouldn't be doing hard swirls. If not, then you'll get that, right? I'm being honest, that's the clay bar, just leaving that residue. So I'm sure I could take it off again when I go through with the clay bar again. But this top part looks really well, right? See if I can focus on it really quick. There you go. There you go. So the top part is really good. Again, go gentle with it, and you should be able to get all those harsh swirls out and the rest of the stuff. All right guys, well that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm a little winded and just sweaty. It took me probably about like 30 minutes to do the entire car. I did not do the hood or the front bumper just because I'm gonna get that reworked and painted, so I didn't wanna waste the clay bar on that. But my paint feels super smooth, it's insane. Like it's like brand new paint, there's no more swirls. So I think if I keep this consistent pace of clay barring it every now and then, it's gonna just really keep the maintenance of my body, the paint, just keeping me look clean all the way through. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you next week.